Hello and welcome to Easy Yoga and More. I'm Aditi and this is my first vlog and I'm doing this vlog. This vlog is about my first international yoga retreat happening in Bali. Actually, ये मेरा second time है. I'm going to Bali for the second time. Last year I was there in September 2024. I went there on a stranger's trip. Without a doubt, it was the best trip of my life. And I can't believe I'm doing my first international retreat in Bali. It's the perfect place. Nothing can beat it. तो वैसे तो सारी तैयारी हो चुकी है. Packing is done. Hair is done. Have a look. New hair. Hair is done. Nails are done. I'm not sure if you can see them because I feel like the lighting is too harsh. There's a cute little starfish on my nail. I'll put up a picture somewhere. And what else? We have cleaned up really well. Retreat related भी सारी तैयारियां हो चुकी है. Things for the participants. I've prepped for my sessions and all kinds of bookings are done. And I'm staying back after the retreat for another week because Karthik is coming there and then we have our own little vacation. So post retreat की भी सारी तैयारियां हो चुकी है. The flight is at 1 a.m. in the night, so tomorrow night, and the flight starts from Goa. It's 2 hours away from here, so we're leaving in the afternoon. We're going to Goa. From there there's a connecting flight. It's from Bangalore and then वहाँ से फिर हम रात में Bangalore में 1 बजे है रात में flight. We'll be going to Bali from Bangalore. So I'm very very excited and a little scared or nervous. बाकी तो सब ठीक है. I think I'm going to see you tomorrow because I'm feeling a little sick. I've really been running around a lot, especially in the past 4 days. So हल्की सी मतलब जुकाम है हल्का सा and I feel a little feverish. So I'm going to rest well and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Okay, so आज मैं निकलना है और सुबह सुबह क्यूट बन के हम फेस को आइस करेंगे because I have some videos to shoot before I leave in the next 2 hours, and also I want my good skin day to continue. So I was telling you last night कि मुझे हल्का सा जुकाम है, but yeah, I'm doing this because of course for the skin but also क्योंकि blood flow increase होगा even into my sinuses and I should feel better. I did feel a lot better yesterday as well. Like I did this in the morning and throughout the rest of the day I was feeling a lot better. So before we shoot videos, इम्पॉर्टेंट है आज काफ़ी वॉकिंग स्टेप्स तो काफ़ी होने वाले हैं बट व्हाट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ मी डूइंग माई मॉर्निंग वर्कआउट और माई मॉर्निंग योगा प्रैक्टिस. हाय मॉम, इट्स ओके. आजा मम्मा. So it's important that we get our morning workout done, little movement and some morning yoga practice done, my pranayama done. After that we'll shoot some videos and then we'll get ready, we'll eat, we'll leave. Let's get some quick morning movement done because there's not a lot of time. We have to rush, but at the same time something is better than nothing. So we're going to show up, we're going to move quickly and then we're going to go to the rest of the preps. It's going to be a long day. We're going to be sitting in the car a lot and again sitting in the flight. So I'm making sure I get some movement and I'm pretty sure if I feel even a little stiff or like I feel like I need to move my body, shaking off, doing some movement or even working out on the airport. we're quickly going to have some breakfast. तो actually हम make sure करना चाहते हैं कि कुछ भी खाना जो ऑलरेडी घर पे लाया हुआ है वो बचे ना. सो मामा इज मेकिंग some sandwiches with a lot of veggies. So there goes my vitamins, minerals, fiber and carbs. I have my chia seeds which I'm going to add in my protein shake. We have some dhokla and we have some nice methi parathas as well. So yes. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. तेरी पनाह है जब तक है जीना चाहेंगे. ओ तेरे हो के रहे दिल जिद पे रहा. So that's what we're wearing to the airport. Very cute, very cool, very chic. I'm probably not going to wear the socks. So I'll wear black sandals instead. Otherwise, don't we look cute? We have successfully made it to the airport. We're flying with Indigo. Pray for us. Pray for us मतलब सब ठीक से हो जाए, सब टाइम पे हो जाए, कोई डिले कोई कैंसिलेशन ना हो, which I'm hoping कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay, we're finally here. I don't really like this angle, but I don't have a different lens right now, so let's work with this. We have checked in and I had so many electronics. The security took so long, but we're here. Electronics because laptop, filming tools, etc, etc. But we're here and we'll be flying in another hour from here, so yes. You know, it's true when one door closes, another one opens, because in August last year, I was actually supposed to do a yoga retreat in Kanha National Park. I was excited, my mom was excited. मतलब मैं काफ़ी thrilled थी to take yoga sessions in the national park, and the stay and everything was very beautiful, but for some reason that got cancelled, and of course I was feeling a little low, and in a few days मुझे ये proposal आया कि आप would you like to host a yoga retreat either in Bali or in Vietnam, which of course was bigger. So yeah, I'm a strong believer that things that are meant for you will not pass you by. Sometimes things that leave or things that don't happen for you were probably never meant for you, but things that were meant for you, they will not pass you by. So when one door closes, another one definitely will open for you too. Here we are, Bengaluru. I love this airport. I love T2. आज हम लोग गोवा से टर्मिनल 1 पे लैंड हुए थे, एंड इट्स सैड, दैट टर्मिनल इज सैड. As an architect, watching nature and architecture come together in this way is the most beautiful thing ever. It's high time we realize that we cannot win over nature, and living with it, living in harmony with it is the only way ahead. ये बस अभी सीखा मैंने कि फ्लाइट से पहले, स्पेशली ओवरनाइट फ्लाइट से पहले स्किन केयर कर लेना चाहिए. ब्रेथ मिंट, excited about the fact that we fly above
Thank you.
We were greeted with a very warm welcome. So from the airport, our guide, he got us Made. Our guide's name is Made. He got us right to a local shopping mart, and everyone's shopping now. And I'm hungry, very hungry. सब लोग शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं और मुझे शॉपिंग नहीं करना, मुझे भूख लगी है तो मैं खा रही हूँ घर का मेथी का पराठा विथ सम नाइस matcha. This is the property we are going to be staying in for the next 5 days, 6 days. It's gorgeous. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at the pool area. और अगर ये लॉबी ही इतनी सुंदर है, the common areas are so beautiful. I can't wait to see what the room looks like. Look at that. This is the dining area, the kitchen, and again this little trail. This is the trail that takes us to the rooms and to the yogashala. यहाँ पे again pool, another common area. ये बहुत ही सुंदर है. Oof, look at that. No, let me take you to my room. रूम जाने के लिए काफ़ी सारे स्टेप्स भी लेने पड़ रहे हैं. So, Aditya, say hi. Okay, now let me show you the room. So the bathroom. Oof. I love bathrooms with a bathtub. चलो बाहर देखें. Luggage area. Oof, oof, oof. Look at that. Shit. What? बहुत ही सुंदर. ये मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि ये इन्होंने गणेशा बनाया है. This is so beautiful, and the view from every window, all green. The greener the better. That's my mantra. Oh, we have cute fruits. Wow. Wow. That's the pool. जहाँ तक नजर जा रही है वहाँ तक सब कुछ बस ग्रीन है. Lot of plants, lot of trees. Here is the balcony. How cute. So this is my stay for the next 5 nights. And it's very, very beautiful. I can't wait to show you the yogashala and the rest of the property. मतलब और भी कुछ बचा है तो look at that. We're actually all really, really tired, but in the next 30 minutes we have our first yoga session, and that is a nice yoga session to release some travel fatigue. काफी अच्छा होने वाला है. Everyone's going to feel refreshed, and for today we just have a yoga session and a wonderful dinner at the hotel. But between the yoga session and the dinner at the hotel, I think everyone's going to squeeze in some Ubud market time. The market is so beautiful, crazy, and it's only about 5 minutes away from the place. So yes, that's what today looks like. This again is the route to our yogashala. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. It's petite, it's fully surrounded by nature. It's lovely. Our mats are ready. Okay, so we finished a very beautiful yoga session to release all the travel fatigue. और उसके बाद some of the participants are resting. Some of them have gone out to get a massage, to shop. They've gone to the Ubud market. I was also resting and I was prepping for the evening because we have our welcome dinner now. This is where I give the participants the things that I got for them. I give them things that the brands send for them, and where we talk, where we get to know each other. By now they have arrived a lot, like mentally and physically up tak, and they've also explored a little. So but we are all extremely tired. मतलब मुझ में ना तैयार होने की भी actually तैयार होने का भी patience नहीं है. But then we'll do it. We'll show up very nicely. We'll have a quick dinner. We'll chat a little, we'll get to know each other a lot more, and yeah, we should be good. I'm going to keep it very simple. Do you think this will go? You're the one for me, you're Jana, you're one. It could be red, it could be yellow, it could be purple, it could be... Okay, that's what I'm wearing for the welcome dinner. Full picture मिलना थोड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा है, but this is what the dress. Somewhere here I'll put what the dress looks like. So I've made a little something for the participants, and I am going to place these things in their respective places. This is going to be like our little bonding session, and I'm going to show you the final table, what it looks like, but I am not going to show you our conversations or what we speak about, because I think people get conscious when there's a camera around, and I want this to really be like a warm personal moment. So that is not something that I'm going to be recording. I want to be fully present with all the participants while doing that, while we're speaking. So I'm just quickly going to keep these things. I'm going to show you the table, and then I'll probably see you tomorrow. Do you want, take this, I have a few.
Quang Để con đấy. Quang Pin.
Say hi. No.
No?
No. This is looking very cute.
Ah, yeah.
We can leave it like this.
Ah, yeah.
On the side. There. So this is what we have for the participants. We have Cosmix as our protein powder. We have Fun by Zainab with cute crochet things. This is a comfy piece, a stand and pee device. It makes life easier for women. I want them to try it. And they have a cute little letter from me. Look at that. And there is a cute little letter from me for me. Because it's important to, be your own cheerleader. It's very important to be your own cheerleader. It's very important to always clap for yourself before waiting for others to clap for you. There you go. So like I said, this is it. This is going to be the last video for tonight, क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि कोई भी conversation record हो. We'll definitely click cute pictures. And आज हम लोग योगा सेशन होते ही we're having a breakfast and then we're leaving for the beach to snorkel. We're going snorkeling. Chalo, I'm gonna see you. So we just wrapped up our session for day 2. We did a beautiful practice which brought a lot of heat in the body, a lot of warmth in the body. We did some Sukshma Vyayam. We warmed up, Surya Namaskaras, and we did a lot of hip openers. Lot of hip opening asanas, Baddha Konasan se Supta Baddha Konasan to Malasan to Uttana Prishthasana, everything. Everyone loved the session and I'm feeling so good when someone thanks you from their full heart about helping with their body or their minds or their lives. It's a very beautiful feeling. So now everyone's already headed over to have their breakfast. I'm also hungry, so I'm going to go too. And I want to take another moment to show you how beautiful this yogashala is. चारों तरफ आप जहाँ तक देखेंगे, it's just green and green and green and green. It's almost like we are in the middle of a forest, even when we are technically in the middle of a city. I am wearing my favorite outfit of the trip. And we're off to the beach to snorkel. मैं अपनी hat भूल गई हूँ तो मैं hat वापस लेने जा रही हूँ. I'm going to send and click and shoot a lot of cute pictures and videos. Off to the most beautiful swim of my life. भाई ये इतना सही है. This beach was not a part of our itinerary and then we added it. And say hi. And it's crazy. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to tell you what we did today. So we went snorkeling, which was we did this in Benoa Tanong. I'm going to put the name of the beach there, but that's not a place that I would recommend for anything. But everywhere else, I think when you're doing snorkeling in a beach like this, it's mind-blowing. Don't do it in a place where there are only water activities because they don't maintain these places. And also the people there were not that great. But otherwise, because we are a group, aise we had fun, theek tha. But I think this was the highlight of the day. We are so glad we added this. That's the other part of the beach. This is like a way in between. And then this is the prettier part of the beach. I mean, look at that. Say hi. Hello. I'll tell you what, they very rightly say that I can't define a timeline, but even a month is not enough to see Bali fully because so I'm in Bali for 15 days this time. And I was here almost for 12 or 13 days last time before the trip, 3 days. So yeah, almost. And there's not a single place that I'm going to repeat. Can you believe it? Not a single place that I'm going twice to. None of the beaches. I mean, of course, last time I did go to Nusa Penida and Lombok. How would you not be relaxed here? I mean, a yoga session in the morning and then a beach like this in the evening, and then you're eating fresh fruits, lot of coconut water. It is a pause. It is an escape from your other life.